Alright guys, welcome back to Sloop's Garage. We're here today with the Chevelle. We're going to finally do the compression test on it. Sorry for the wind. So, I've already got things situated here. I went ahead and disconnected my fuel line down here, put a bolt in it. Went ahead, started the car, ran it dry. Let it just run until it's shut off. That way there's no fuel. I don't want to be pumping a bunch of fuel into the cylinders while it's not firing and flood the car, obviously. So next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and disconnect my HEI distributor. There's no need to have that firing. This should be that blue wire here on the bottom. So we got that disconnected now. So I'll go ahead and get set up on the number one cylinder here, and I'll come back and see what we got. Alright, so I got you guys set up here on the number one cylinder. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over, see if we can measure what our compression's at with this tester we threw together the other day. So here we go. So obviously I blew off the line, so I'm gonna have to get a hose clamp for that. So I'm gonna pull it out, put it back together, and see if we can try this again. Alright, so we went ahead, threw this clamp on there. I'm gonna go ahead and thread it back into the cylinder head, and we'll see what we got. Alright, I got it set back up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the key and see if we can blow this end off, maybe launch it through the hood or something. So let me get it going here. Obviously that didn't work again. I think we got an issue with our compression tester. Try to get another clamp on this end, and we'll see what happens this time. So I ended up taking this thing apart, and the valve stem here was actually stuck closed. So I sprayed some carb cleaner in there, worked the needle a little bit, and then sprayed some penetrating oil down in there to help lube it up. So I'm going to reassemble the compression tester, put a hose clamp on the one end, and see if we can get this thing to work or not. Alright guys, we're set back up. I'm going to hit the key again. So I'm assuming this compression tester does not work. That's okay. We'll have to get a real one if we want to do an actual compression test on this engine. I kind of was just throwing this together just to see how strong this engine was prior to taking it out on power tour. So sorry for the fail here guys, but this is reality. Sometimes stuff just doesn't work out. So thanks for watching the video. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.